Most people work their entire life without ever learning how money truly works. But the truth is, wealth is not built by working harder, it's built by thinking smarter. Welcome to my channel, a channel where we break down investing, financial freedom, and real-world money strategies in the simplest way possible. Before we continue, let me be clear. I am not a professional investor, financial advisor, lawyer, or professor.
I'm just a simple person sharing my thoughts, experiences, and what I learn about money and investing in a way that's easy to understand.
From stocks to index funds, from passive income to smart investing decisions. We don't chase hype. We build wealth with knowledge, patience, and strategy. If you're ready to stop surviving and start building real financial freedom, subscribe to my YouTube channel and start your journey towards smarter money decisions today.